Hey guys, this side Pia. So today I'm going to reviewing this Color Essence Gold Matte Lip Color which I purchased from woovly few days back ago. As you're able to see, the packaging is so amazing. I literally love the packaging of this product. Also the color is very pigmented. As you are able to see, it's very nude which I purchased from them. The cost of the product is rupees 650, but you can get it rupees 350 in an offer price, which I also purchased in an offer. You can go and check out it on woovly. See, it's very highly pigmented. I'll just let you show on my hands. As you're able to see, I'm applying one coat here, and after applying 2 to 3 coats, you are able to find the pigmentation, and the color is so amazing. Also, now I'm going to test it like it's a matte or not. See, I'm putting it on my hands and it's very clean. It means it's very highly pigmented. It's not like, as you're able to see, there are so many normal lipstick which get roughed or which get wipe out while using, or it's I applied it on my lips also, and it's work amazing. It will work for 7 to 8 hours. Thank you so much for watching this video.